So Python is really, really great at string manipulation. And strings are so important that we devote a whole unit to them. I'm just going to introduce a little bit about strings. So I'm going to make a string. We can't use the str keyword, but we can actually just use string. And I'm going to say, hi, I'm a cat, meow. Now I want you to notice this. I'm using single quotes here for the string. And I'm using a single quote here for I'm, right? You might use this for I'm or don't or can't or anything like that. Now, I have a couple choices here if I want to allow this to run. If I try to run it right now, it's going to give me an error. There's invalid syntax. It's because it thinks this is a string and then it doesn't know what's going on here. So one thing I could do double quotes on the outside of this, and that works. So you can enclose single quote, you can put single quotes within a double quoted string. I could also do triple quotes, or what I will likely do in this scenario is I will escape this character. So I can put a backslash in front of it, and when I do that, well, that seems to run fine. If I print this, then we see, hi, I'm a cat, meow. That works. So I want to show a simple string operation. There's a lot of different string operations. I'm going to go ahead and split this. I'm going to split it on that. And so we've got two strings, hi, I'm, and string 2, a cat, meow. We can actually add these together. It's concatenation, not addition, but it uses the same operator, right? It uses the plus sign as an operator. So I'm going to concatenate these two strings. And we're going to see that it's not quite right. Hi, I'm a cat, meow. So we want to put a space in here. And we can do it like that. Hi, I'm a cat, meow.